So how do you measure length area in Google Maps on the iPhone? Let me explain it. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, we can get inside the Google Maps as such. And you might notice that if I zoom in on some random place, we have the ability to hold it down on it and the pin is going to be dropped, and then we have the measure distance option, right? And we can kind of like move around, add points and create a shape on the map, right? But we only can see and track the actual distance, right? So as you can see, it's like almost 3,000 kilometers, but in the distance we cannot really measure the land area, right? It only works to measure the distance. This is the Google Maps. However, in order to measure the land area within, we need to actually get inside of the Google Earth, which is also made by Google. It's the very same data, obviously the same map, but in a different app, which is also freely available to be downloaded. So you can get inside like this and also work on it similar way. So you can click on Explore Earth and we are on a random place again. This time we have the measure ruler icon right away visible. And we do the same thing where we added the first point, then another one, and we can kind of like create a shape, right? Let's say I'm going to create this area, right? And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect it as such and click on close shape. And then now we have an area on the map, which we can see the perimeter and also the area, so we can see literally exactly how much it is. We can see some important information about it, and we can even change it from the different things. So we can choose the square meters or square kilometers or whatever measuring option we have there. So that's how we can do this. I personally believe that through the Google Earth it's much more practical, because in the maps it wasn't even really that possible. Like you could technically calculate it even through the Google Maps too, but this is much better. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future videos.